this first. here, more stable this is in the air, and 34 minutes it goes. And one more big problem is that, honestly, when I was flying this one, Mini 2, it was maybe 291 feet above. I can fly this one 400 feet above as per the rules, FAA. But I didn't do that. Honestly, when it goes up more than 250, it was looking like small fly, you know, anopheles, mosquito, like that. Small, very small, tiny. It was like a tiny fly, a tiny mosquito. More than more than 60 or more than 70, when I found the signal that it was at 291, at least I could not see in my eyes. This small mini aircraft, okay, I could not see. Okay, that's not the big problem. You should be also a good observer to see. This one I think I can see very clearly because one more guy was with me. He was flying this one. His drone was nice. Also for the color, this is more darker. This is more white. It's not so darker. The one is so darker. So the size and more darkness, this is visible. Even his was visible on 400 feet from the ground level, AGL. So I thought that this is more reliable. Honestly. This is 31 minutes. That means more 3 minutes it can fly. That 3 minutes is crucial, honestly. How much crucial that 3 minutes, the guys who are flying frequently the drones, they know how much crucial the last 3 minutes. Because your drone may be more than miles far. We're getting the signal that battery is low. So you press the home button, but it's showing that it's not enough power to come to your home. It was happened with me, especially this Dji Mini 2. It's more reliable to see. Even on that day was very windy, it was more stable, no jutting like that. My tiny one was making like this. I saw that guys Mavic Air2 stable. This one is stable, that one is like this. So you must have to come here. After all, this guy's flying hour is 31 minutes. This is 34 minutes. Maybe 2 also 31 minutes, the bigger one, more bigger. So for the timing, this is the best one. Maybe Air2 is the best for timing. The picture quality almost very good, almost similar or like maybe 2. Only the Pro is more cinematic, but this is more than enough I need as a new drone pilot. You got the point? The guys who have the certification for FAA 107, I will suggest please buy this one, Mavic Air2. Mavic Air2 has the name. What's the name? Yeah, has the name Mavic Air2. I'll suggest. This is convenient in price, and this guy can more fly. You can see This is more darker than Mini 2 and more bigger than Mini 2, more weight, so no shaking. If this was shaking too much shaking. Honestly, I was feeling very bad. Also, this guy has a big problem, is that this guy has only the bottom side sensor. There is no sensor the front back. So if any big trees level is not so low, if it becomes problem in the trees, it may be lost. Other big thing is that my one friend said that one drone pilot said that he lost 2 times Mini 2, 2 times. Be careful, 2 times, because when this guy goes so far, then sometimes emergency you calling come to home, but it goes maybe any woods, any big buildings, anywhere, it just stuck there. But this guy has the very good thing is that this flying hour, also the sensor, see the back side sensor, the front side sensor, obviously the downside sensor. This 3 sensor is enough to save the aircraft. If any problem, if any difficulties on the front side, it will come back. If any difficulty in the back side, it will go for front. Yeah, this guy doesn't have the right and left, but I think these 2 sensors especially is very much helping to find out the way to come back. So be careful. Front and back side, these 2 sides. Here is 4 sensors. Here is 2. Here is 2. So this is very powerful. It will save your aircraft to come back. So after all watching that, I don't suggest the Mini 2 design. Mini 2 I don't suggest. For the long run, no Mini 2, no. For the long run, obviously Dji Mavic Air2. Mavic Air2 for the long run. Very much reliable, this is honestly. You don't need at the starting time the Mavic 2, the biggest one. I bought that one also. I saw more costly, more heavier, but no need. This is more than enough to fight with the wind. But this is obviously tiny, and obviously I am sure, more than 90% sure, if you're planning to fly more long times, if you're planning for YouTube videos, any kinds of selling the videos, or doing something business with the videos, so for the long term, this is not good. This is the best. 34 minutes, more extra 3 minutes. This is 31. Mavic 2, the biggest one, also 31. No need. There's 3 minutes is very, very important. Honestly. Very, very important. You will feel when you're in the field, when you see your battery is dying on the screen, low, instead of coming back to the home point, then you'll say, oh, you will recollect my words that really Mavic Air2 is the best. Mavic Air2, best. Okay, Thank you. This is no more. This is in. This is out. And this is in.